Well, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the behavior of the various cost function geometrically. So you can see that this is the average variable cost, right? And it is rising because average variable costs are those costs which varies with the rate of production. Lower the rate of production, lower will the variable cost. Higher the rate of production, higher will be the variable cost, right? And it is increasingly increasing. It is increasing at an increasing rate. This is because of the law of diminishing returns, right? Which means that the per unit cost for each additional unit increases. So that's why it is increasing at an increasing rate. Now, if you look at the average fixed cost, as long as your output level increases, your fixed cost decreases. This is so because if you look into the mathematical form of the average fixed cost divided by total output. Since output is in the denominator and numerator is constant, so if you are increasing the denominator, so overall this value would become it would go down, right? So that's why as much as your output level increases, average fixed cost decreases. So per unit fixed cost goes down as much as you are increasing your output level. And this is the panel 3 shows the mixture of these two. You can see the average cost is declining up to a certain point, right, and increases thereafter. So this is because this fall is because of the shortened average fixed cost, and this rise is because of the diminishing returns, right? So that's why the shortened average cost forms a U shape, right? And the point at which the average cost reaches its minimum point is known as the minimum efficient scale. And if you increase the level of output, if you go beyond this point, right, while static, your average cost increases. And if you decrease the level of output, then in this area your average cost falls. So the average cost is increasing to the right hand side of the minimum efficient scale, and it is declining to the left of the minimum efficient scale.